Happy holidays, everyone. I'm sorry I do not have an intro. We're just going to jump right into the video. Right now, I'm putting up my tree. I got this tree from Walmart. I'm not really crazy about this tree because the white stuff was like getting all over me, getting all over the carpet, and I was just pretty much over it. Right now, I'm just trying to like plug it in and get it together, get these lights working. I was really having a hard time with this middle part, trying to figure out how to get it to work, but I figured it out eventually after 20 minutes. So now this ribbon, I got it from the Christmas store in Florida last year. I cut it up really crazy because I didn't know what to do with it. So now I kind of know. So I'm like folding it and I'm wrapping the top part around a branch. And then I'm going to kind of like push it inside. I kind of wish that I wasn't in the way to show you guys exactly what I was doing. But I'm basically just like pushing it inside, kind of letting it do like a wave thing. Pieces of this, so I'm just gonna like put it mainly in the front where I can see. And yeah. These ornaments, I also got them from the Christmas store as well, and I'm just gonna put them all over. All of these things are from the Christmas store. Pretty much everything in the beginning of the video I got from the Christmas store in Florida 2 years ago. And all the new stuff I got, I'll let you guys know where I got that from. I don't really like stars, but my baby keeps saying, "Mommy, where's my star?" So I'm going to probably think about getting a star. I kind of like it to look like crystal poking out. I don't know. I kind of like that look. It just reminds me of like the Grinch stole Christmas tree, but the pretty version. That is like a really gorgeous snowflake. Look at that. So cute. Oh my gosh. I have a little girl, so everything has to be absolutely girly. Just gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. That is like really gorgeous. It's a statement piece. We're just going to put that right in the middle. Perfect. I love these. These are one of my favorite pieces, all from the Christmas store. Obsessed with them. The Christmas store is in North Miami. I actually have a whole bunch of these little birds, and some of them I lost the clip. Okay, these are the new ornaments. They're from Pier 1. This one as well. They had a 25% off sale today, and I kind of went crazy. These are also from them. And we're all done with the tree. So we're going to move along to the mantle. These little sticky things, I got them from Walmart, and it's very, very, very important to have these because everything will just fall down. So I'm sticking them in 2 places for now, and later on I'm going to stick one in the middle. And this garland, I got this one from Walmart, and I think it was about probably $12. I got the wires from Walmart and the wire cutters as well. The wires are very important. We're going to use it to, tie everything down, tuck it in, get it all nice and neat. I don't know how other people are, but I kind of can watch somebody do something and I kind of get what they're doing. But some people like me to talk, so I guess I'm going to speak and kind of explain exactly what I'm doing. But I'm just pretty much like securing everything on there. These little cone things, I do not like them. I'm removing it. So I'm just snipping those off. Opening it up, spreading it out. Now, this is another one. They're all 9 foot. So this one has no lights, and I think this one was $3. So I'm just kind of entwining them with each other and like opening it up and connecting them, twirling them around. This piece I got from Pier 1, and I'm going to put this right in the center. And I'm just tied it around the hoop that I did earlier. And I have a wire in my hand right now. And I'm going to secure it. Like, securing it with a lot of wires is very important. You don't want it to fall during Christmas and everyone's crying and it's not good. Getting some more wire. And I put a piece in the middle. I don't know what happens to that clip, but I definitely added another sticky thing to the middle part to gather the front so it could lift up a little bit. So we're just securing everything with wires and twining everything, just finessing it like. Everything is like just bends and just making neat. We secured it like crazy, so it's like no need to feel like, oh my god, it's gonna fall. We use lots of wires. It's like it's not gonna fall. So just try to bend it and make it look as neat as possible. Just adding some paint. My only regret is that I had a garland that had like fake snow in it so it can like match my tree, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So this will do for now. I'm definitely not done decorating. I'm probably going to be decorating a little bit more throughout this week, adding more stuff to the living room, and I have to do the steps. I might do a video of me decorating the steps and putting garland on my steps and lights and stuff like that. Okay, it's coming to life. These ornaments are also from the Christmas store as well. But when you're doing this, make sure you step all the way back and look at it, come back to it, look back at it, because sometimes it could be crooked and then you just did all this putting it together and it's just lopsided. I feel like I definitely want to add some more stuff to the side, and probably I'm going to come back to it another day. But for now, I'm going to add these little leaf things. I put it on both sides. I don't have that clip. Moving along to the coffee table.